What's up, YouTube? Entrepreneurs, people who just like cleaning. But this video is specifically on freedom, retirement. I'm 51 years old. I call myself retired. Why is that? Why would I call myself retired when I'm on my way out to a job this morning? Doing one job today. It's going to be about $320. It's going to take me less than 2 hours. I'm going to go home, spend the rest of my day doing whatever the heck I want to do. I'm retired. Law of attraction. Very interesting thing. You guys ever dabbled into it? A lot of people have. Some people just got turned off of it because they didn't get that $1 million in 2 weeks when they were putting the attention out. You know, law of attraction. You know, it works. It's just the way the universe works. You know, what you put out, you get back. It's tricky. So I don't know, about when I was about 40, I at work, okay, didn't even think about the carpet cleaning business yet, as far as going full time or actually trying to make a business out of it. I told my buddy I want to retire when I'm 50. By the time I'm 50, I want to be retired. And he's looking at me and he's like, yeah, you okay? I don't have a 401k, you know, no savings. How's that gonna happen? Retire by the time I'm 50. Wow. So I really want to retire when I'm 50. But what is retirement to you? Retirement to me is doing what I like to do. See, I'm the person that needs to always have something to shoot for. Hobby, something to work for and build. It keeps my brain right. And people that deal with depression in their life, really, that's really all they need. They need to focus on something and work and have something, their attention focused on something they can build, and it really it does huge things. So I've always known I need to have something to focus on. So my definition of retirement would be able to quit working for somebody, do what I want to do on my own, do a side business or something like that, keep myself busy, yet have plenty of free time, and not have to work myself to death. So as far as some people's definition of retirement is traveling all over the world. I got news for you. Even if you work until you're 67 years old, most people don't have the money to do all that. They collect their Social Security check. They're barely getting by. Living in retirement homes, retirement communities. It's just the way it is for most people. But I told myself I want to retire when I'm 50. At 49 years old, I started my carpet cleaning business full time. A year before that, I was part-time. A year and a half before that. By the time I turned 50 years old, I went full-time carpet cleaning. Now I work 2 to 4 hours a day because I choose to. I'm able to make my own schedule. I have plenty. I can take as many days as I want off whenever I want, or work as hard as I want. I'm retired at 50. You can too, if that's your definition of retirement. So I just missed my stop. Alright guys, so this wasn't any clickbait. This is just reality. You know, figure out what you want to do. If if you want something, if you want to retire, my definition of retirement, it's possible, and you'll be able to afford to support your family. Yet have plenty of time to spend with them. Pick up hobbies. So that's all I gotta say. That's it for this video. If you like it, like it. Be sure to subscribe, comment,